Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm showing you a clip taken from 69 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. It is a long video. You will see me introducing the markets that I cover in the long video. In general, the market's now in a situation where it really pays to get involved. It's not the time to stay on the sidelines. There are just too many good opportunities out there, and I investigate and introduce those opportunities and present you with the setups and the levels, entry point, and the consideration for the short term, for the long term. If you like to keep staying on the sidelines, you are just missing. If you like to get involved, maybe you take a trial of my service. You can pay with PayPal or Moneybookers or Payza. The other payment means these are the small details. The point is that I am sharing with you really substantial and profound insights on many markets, insights that can really help you to shape the strategy and your approach, not just for 1 or 2 days, but for maybe 1 or 2 years, if not longer than that. So take a look at the clip, and I will talk to you again after the clip ends if you're interested. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the US dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, the Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, high grade copper, platinum, palladium, the euro charts, the euro bond, USD bond, the TLT, and then the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the S&P 100, that's the OX, the Nasdaq 100, the CAC 40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, Italy's MIB, IBEX 35 of Spain, the Nikkei of Japan, and I'll terminate the video with the stock quoted in Milano, Italian stock called Eni. Okay, that's the bonds. That's a USD bond. And I'm thinking that the right wave count effect now would be to take this as 1, 2. That's the daily scale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 in black, 4 in black, 5 in black. I think it terminated the descent. I think we have seen an A, 5 legs up. We have seen a B. I will not be surprised at all. In fact, I anticipate a rally now. A rally C that would go and close the gap here. Notable gap, run above 146.28 and potentially run and touch 148, at which point I think it will become an excellent candidate for selling short. That will be the extent as far as I consider that it should run. Let's have a look at you see, that will take it to the 0.618 level of the entire descent. Anything like that would look, especially if it gives you clear 5 legs, anything like that would be super entry point for selling short for this. I think there'll be a major slide here in the bonds. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes, and I'll take it on the line chart to clear up a bit because there's a lot of after hours price action recorded here, and it's on thin volume. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it ended here. That's my A. Okay, that's my A. That's my B. Again, not very clear where it ended, but I think that any rally Monday, Tuesday about 145 will tell you that I'm probably right. We are up in a C. Another look at the similar structure here is the TLT is providing an interesting insight here for the performance as recorded by the MACD. Do you see? Despite an attempt to hold ground, the MACD is just sliding straight down. There is ample divergence here on a scale of months. You can see where the level is here and where the MACD is here. You see, comparison to the price. Major divergence on the weekly scale. Let's take it now to the daily. And I think that's 1, that's 2, Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's the right wave count. And that's an 8, that's a B. Look at the performance here. That tells me it most likely Monday, Tuesday comes, is going for closing the gap, shooting towards 123. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes. You can see clearly here the 5 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think that was a B. Could have been a B triangle, not terribly clear, but that's the idea. And we are going up now in the C. You can see the surge, and I expect continuation. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.